Hi, welcome to this exacttrades.com trade review for the Movers and Shakers report for August 9th, 2011. The Movers and Shakers is a free pre-market report that gets emailed out to you every morning before the market opens with a minimum of 10 trade ideas each and every day. You can sign up for this free report at our website, www.exacttrades.com. I'm going to walk you through a couple of the trades from this morning, as well as the results for the day and the combined results since we started this particular report. What you're looking at right now is a screenshot from this morning's video. Again, it's August 9th, 2011. With every trade idea, you'll get a direction of the trade along with the symbol, so whether it's long or short. You'll get a trigger, which is the point you enter the trade, as well as targets. So right now we're looking at a long trade for IDCC. The trigger point is 66.50, so that's where you'd enter your position for the long trade, with targets of 66.95, 67.70, and then the high 68s. Let's see how that trade turned out. Okay, here we have the IDCC chart. This is a 3-minute chart. We had the long entry at 66.50. First target was 66.95, so we took half off at 66.95. For the purpose of the way we keep track of results, we factor in a 1% stop, and once your trigger is hit, it's a 1% trailing stop. So this trailing stop was triggered at 66.85 right here. Now that's not necessarily how we trade, but for the purpose of the results, that's how we factor. You can see I drew a trend line on this chart right here. It's a good place to find support, so you can have your stop set just underneath the trend line. You can see this held this trend line all the way up, and our final target was the high 68s, which easily hit right here. So what you could have done is have your stop underneath the trend line, and you would have been able to get all three targets. But for the purpose of this result, we factor in a 1% trailing stop. It was triggered at 66.85. So overall, we had an average exit of 66.90 for a 40-cent profit per share, which is 0.6% profit on this trade. Let's take a look at another trade. Next trade is LO. We called for a short trade on LO with a trigger of 99.80. So again, that's where you would enter your short trade with targets of 99.05, 98.05, and then the 96.50 area. So let's see how this trade turned out. Here we have a 3-minute chart on LO. Our short entry was at 99.80 right here. Our first target was 99.05, so we exited half right here at 99.05. Second target was 98.05, so we exited a quarter here, and it hit about 97.40, which wasn't to our third target, so the 1% trailing stop triggered right here at 98.32. So this was an average exit of 98.61 for a $1.19 profit, or 1.2%. Here's the results for today, August 9th, 2011. We gave 19 total trade ideas in this morning's report. 9 of them did not trigger, so those are trades that the trigger price was not met, or it either gapped up or down at the open towards your first target, taking a lot of the profit potential out of the trade. So we recommend passing on those. So 9 of them didn't trigger. 10 of them did trigger. 8 of those were winners, 2 losers for a win rate of 80%. And here's the combined result since we first started this particular report on July 15th, 2011. We've given 142 trades that have triggered. 116 have been winners, 24 losers, for a win rate of 81.7%. So visit our website, www.exacttrades.com. You can sign up for this free Movers and Shakers pre-market report. We'll email it out to you every morning before the market opens, give you a minimum of 10 trade ideas each and every day. We also offer professional one-on-one coaching where we teach you these profitable strategies that we've developed and trade ourselves each and every day. And while you're at our website, check out our full library of products and services.